very good morning to all of you. I hope you are doing well and you are enjoying your vacations at your home. So, beta, today we are going to start the last chapter of your midterm, unit number 17, sounds. So, open your book, page number 73. Okay, my dear students, all of you, open your book, page number 73, unit number 17, sounds. Okay, so beta, keep your book and a pencil with you. Okay, so let's start the chapter. Okay, beta, sit very quietly in front of your computer and listen the sound. Okay, what is this? This is called sound. What is this? This is called sound, the music. Okay, music is sound. Sound is a form of energy. Now, what is sound? Sound is a form of energy. Energy means power to do work. Energy means power to do work. Okay, without energy, we cannot do any work. Even we cannot go out, we can't run, even we cannot ride without energy. Okay, and we can get energy from the food. Okay, so sound is the form of energy which can travel. Travel means move, which can travel, move through a medium. Medium means source. Beta, medium means source, like the wall, like table, okay, air, solid, and gases. These are the medium, okay, medium. Medium means source here. And it can be heard. It can be heard. You can hear the sound. Okay, beta, human beings and animals. Human beings and animals use sound in many ways. We use sound when we talk to each other, like you are right now. You can hear me? Yes, you are hearing me, and we can talk to each other because of the sound. Okay, so the human beings and animals also use sound in many ways. We use sound when we talk to each other and when we alert other of danger. Okay, danger, like when you cross the road with your friend and you see a car is coming from the road, and, and you alert your friend, oh, look, the car is coming. Okay, what is this? This is danger, otherwise accident can happen. Okay, so we use sound in different ways. Okay, beta, we can hear the sound with our ears. Okay, we can hear the sound. We can hear the sound with our ears, and we can make the sound with our voice. Like right now, I am making a sound. Okay, and you can hear me. This is a sound. And how people, if I ask you how people make sound, people make sound when speaking and when clapping. Now clap your hands. Clap your hands. Can you hear a sound? Yes, this is also a sound. And when singing, singing is also a sound. But better sing after the class, okay? So people can make the sound in the different ways, and the sound is very helpful for us. Sound is a form of energy. Energy means power or ability to do work. Sound is a form of energy which can travel, move through a medium, and it can be heard. Okay, that means we can hear the sound with our ears. Are you clear on this, my dear students? So the next is, what does the word vibrate? Vibrate mean? Do you have any idea about the vibrate and what are vibrations? Vibrate and vibrations. Have you ever seen a mobile phone which is vibrating? Yes, that is called the vibration. Vibrate. The mobile phones also vibrate. Okay, the vibrations are bit quick. The vibrations are quick. Quick means fast. to and fro movements. Beta, to and fro movements are like when you say the greetings, okay, to your friends, and when you move your hand in the air, when you say hi, hello, and when you say bye bye, and you move your hand in the to and fro movements. Okay, that is called to and fro movement. Okay, that movement is called to and fro movement when you wave your hand. Okay, same like this, sound also travel, okay, in the form of waves like this. Okay, sound also travels in the form of waves, and these are called the vibrations. Vibrations are quick to and fro movements. Okay, anything which vibrates make a sound. Anything which vibrates make a sound. So you can see here the examples. Okay, the drum, guitar, parrot. Parrot can also make a sound. Yes. Okay, the aeroplane, the missile, and the school bell. Okay, so vibrations are quick to and fro movements. Anything which vibrates, that means quick and quick to and fro movements. Okay, anything which vibrates make a sound. Okay, so beta, vibrations spread out like waves in the form of rings. Okay, vibration is spread out like waves in the form of rings. Okay, so how does the sound travel? Okay, beta, you can see here the boy, and this is a cup. Okay, and this boy is throwing a pebble in the sea or in the water. Okay, but beta, throw a small pebble. Beta, pebble means a small stone. You can see a small stone near the water, near the sea. In the sea view, beta, you can see the pebble. Pebble is a stone near the water or in the water. They are very smooth. They have a smooth surface. Okay, so pebble is a small stone. Throw a small pebble into a pool of water like this. You will see the rings spreading out. You can see here. You can see here. The rings are spreading out. Okay, the rings are spreading out. You can see also here in this picture. Okay, when you throw a small pebble or small stone into the pool of water, okay, and you will see the rings spreading out like this. These are called waves. These are called waves. Okay, you can see here in the picture, these are called waves. That means vibration is spread out like waves in the form of rings. You can see here in the form of rings. So vibration is spread out like waves in the form of rings. When you throw a pebble in the water, you will see the rings spreading out. What are these? These are waves. Okay, beta, are you getting my point? And you can see you can see the waves in the water like this. Okay, you can see the waves in the water. Yes, we can see the waves in the water, but we cannot see them in the air. We cannot see the waves in the air. When a sound is made, the vibration is spread out like waves. Because whenever the sound is made, vibration is spread out like waves. Vibration is spread out in the form of waves. Remember this point, okay, beta? But we cannot see the vibration. We cannot see the waves in the air. Okay, you can only see the waves in the water, but you cannot see the waves in the air. Like the boy is making a sound. Okay, and the vibrations spread out in the form of waves, and you can hear the sound with your ear. Like right now, I am making a sound. Okay, I am making a sound, and you can hear the sound with your ears. Okay, but we cannot see the waves. Okay, so we cannot see the waves in the air, but we can see the waves in the water, like here. Okay, beta, are you clear on this? So beta, this is the activity from your book. Open your page. Open your book, page number 76. Beta, open your book, page number 76. This is the activity from your book. Okay, you can do it and you can check the sound. Okay, because you can make a sound higher or lower by changing the speed of vibration. How? You will take a large piece of a stiff card, or beta, even you can use the chart paper, okay, or any stiff card, and Google which is available at your home. Beta, you can use the a large piece of any stiff card which is right now available at your home, and Google it slowly, like the girl is doing in the picture. Okay, beta, like the girl is doing in the picture. Okay, Google it slowly, then Google it much faster. Google it much faster. Is there a difference in the sound? Yes. When you Google it slowly, it will make a lower sound, and when you wobble it fastly, it will make a higher sound. Okay, beta, do this activity at your home. Okay, and how do bees make a sound? How do bees make a sound? Have you ever heard the bees making the sound buzz, buzz, buzz around your ear? When the bee is moving around your ear, like the mosquito also, the bees are moving around your ear and they make a sound like buzz buzz, and this is called the buzzing sound. Okay, so bees make a sound called buzzing sound. Oh, look here, the bees look so happy. Okay, and they make a buzzing sound. Okay, how? This sound is made by their wings. You can see the wings of the bees. Yes, in the picture you can see the wings of the bees. Okay, this sound is made by their wings, which move very fast. They move their wings very fast. Okay, and they make the air around them. They make the air around them vibrate. Okay, when the air vibrate, this make a sound. And what does this it called? Beta, bees make a buzzing sound, and this is called the buzzing sound. Okay, how do bees make a sound? Bees make a sound called buzzing sound, and this sound is made by their wings, which move very fast, and they make the air around them vibrate, and this makes a buzzing sound. Okay, are you clear on this? Okay, beta, now next. uh, how are sounds made? How are sounds made? Beta, you can also do this activity at your home. You have a ruler, okay? Uh, what you need a table or a ruler. Okay, simple. What will you do? You will hold a ruler like this, okay? You will hold a ruler over the edge of the table. Beta, edge of the table, okay? Hold a ruler over the edge of the table like this, and flick the sticking end out over the table. Okay, you will flick it with your finger. Okay, like this. Okay, you will flick the ruler from here. Okay, with your finger. Very good. And the ruler will vibrate. The ruler will vibrate and make a sound. Okay, the ruler will vibrate and make a sound. Okay, but I will show you a video on this later. Okay. How does sound travel? How does sound travel? Sound can travel through solids, liquids, and gases in the form of waves. That means solid can travel in all, sorry, sound can travel in all directions. Sound can travel in all directions. How does sound travel? Sounds can travel through solids, liquids, and gases in the form of waves. Like we can see here, the girl and the boy is in the water. Okay, but they can hear the sound. Okay, they are playing with the toy and they can hear the sound in the water as well. That means sound can travel through liquid. Water is a liquid. Okay, water is a liquid. Okay, beta, are you getting my point? So that means sounds can travel through the liquid like water. Okay, like water. And solid sounds can travel through the Solid. Solid means like the table. Okay, beta, place your ear at the table like this, man. Okay, place your ear over the table and beta make a sound with your finger or with your hand. Okay, make a sound with your finger or with your hand like this in this picture. Can you hear the sound? Yes, you can hear the sound. That means sound can also travel through the solid because table is solid. Okay, table is solid and you can hear the sound. You can hear the sound? Yes, you can hear the sound. Okay, so that means sounds can travel through the solids as well. Okay, through the solid. This is the example of liquid water. Okay, and this is the example of solid. Table is the example of solid. And this is the example of gases. Air. Gases means air. Okay, you make a sound. Okay, beta, make a sound, and the sounds can travel. You can hear, your mama can hear you right now when you make a sound, when you say mama, so your mama can listen you. So that means sound can also travel through the air. Through the air, but sound always travel in the form of waves. You can see here in the every picture waves. You can see here waves in the liquid. You can see here the waves, the rings on the table, that means solids, and you can see the waves here in the air gases. So that means sounds can travel through solid, liquid, gases, but in the form of waves. In the form of waves, you can see the waves here, here, and here. Okay, beta, are you getting my point? So beta, this is the experiment. Okay, this is the experiment from your book, page number, beta, this is the experiment from your book, page number 73. Okay, page number 73. Okay, what will you do? When did ruler make a high sound and when did it make a deep or low sound? Okay, what will you do? Hold a ruler over the edge of the table, but hold a ruler firmly, like strongly. Okay, over the edge of the table. Flick the end sticking out. Okay, you will flick this end sticking out of the table. If we flick the ruler, okay, if we flick the ruler strongly, it will make a high sound. Okay, it will make a high sound. And then flick the ruler slowly, it will make a deep or low sound. Beta, you will do this experiment at your home. Okay, then you will tell me when you come to school. Okay, so let's watch a video. This is flick a ruler. Okay, this is called flicking, beta. Okay, so you can observe it with the video. If we flick the ruler strongly, it will make a high sound. And if we flick the ruler slowly, it will make a deep or low sound. Okay, are you getting my point? So activity, beta, this is the activity. Find, what will you do, beta? This is a very easy activity. Find a box and stretch the different rubber band around it. Okay, what will you do? You have a lunch box. You can use your lunch box, or even you can use the box from your kitchen, any box from your kitchen. Even you can take the tissue paper box. Okay, and find a box, stretch the different rubber bands around it like this, as you can see here in the picture. Okay, you can hear the different sounds by stretching the rubber band. So what will you do? You will stretch the different rubber bands around the box. Okay, around the box, like here or like here, and then you will stretch the rubber band with your finger, like one by one. You will stretch this rubber band and then you will stretch this rubber band. You can hear the sound like You can use more rubber bands. Okay, you can use the tissue paper box like this, and you will stretch the rubber band one by one. Okay, you can do it slowly and you can do it very fastly, and you will observe the sound. Okay, beta, do this activity at your home. This is very easy activity. Okay, now the soft sounds. Soft sound has a low volume. Okay, low volume. Like for example, now I'm talking to you. Okay, this is the soft sound. I'm talking to you. This is the soft sound. When I'm talking to you like this is the loud sound. Okay, but soft sound has a low volume. Right now I'm talking to you. This is the soft sound. Soft sound has a low volume. Soft sound has a low volume. Examples are piano. Oh, you can see here the girl. Okay, the girl is playing a piano, and the blowing wind. Okay, wind means moving air. When the air moves, okay, so soft sound has a low volume, and the sound of a clock. With the sound of alarm is not the soft sound. With the sound of the clock, like tick tick tick, when the needles move, when the needles of the clock move, like tick 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 tick. This is the soft sound. Okay, soft sound has a low volume. Okay, now the examples of the high sound. Examples of the high sound. Okay, the first one is alarm. Oh, when you put the morning alarm. So this is the example of high sound. Shouting. When you shout at something, when your mama shout at you, this is called high sound. Okay, shouting. This is called high sound. And the dogs bark. When the dog bark, this is also called high sound. Aeroplane. When the aeroplane takes off, this is called high sound. Car's horn. Okay, car's horn. This is also a high sound. Okay, and the babies cry. Some babies cry very nicely, but some babies cry very loud and make a high sound. Okay, so the babies cry is mostly a high sound. Okay, benching a hammer. Hammer, you can see here the hammer. This is also a high sound. And a drum. Drum is also the example of high sound. With a thunder, I have told you in the yesterday's class what is thunder. Thunder is a loud noise. Thunder is a loud noise when the heavy rain. Okay, with the heavy rain. Okay, thunder. And the bell, or when your school bell rings. Okay, this is a high sound. So these are the examples of high sound. Okay, beta, these are the example of high sound. Okay, are you getting my point? So the next is, beta, let's watch a video. Now you can uh, beta, you can observe the soft sound and the loud sound in this video. Okay, let's watch this video and beta, hear the sound very quietly. So these are the example of sound. Okay, so now the activity beta. This is the activity given in your book. Now do this activity with me. Okay, my smart student, all of you beta, do this activity with me. Sound produced by humans. Beta, take beta, put a finger at your throat like this. You can see. Okay, beta, do this activity. Sound produced by the humans. Speak loudly or sing a song or buzz like a bee. Put your fingers on your throat and feel it. Okay, beta, what will you do? You will put your finger on your throat here and make a sound, beta. Speak loudly or sing a song or buzz like a bee and feel it. Okay, you can do this activity at your home. So now this is the time of conclusion. Conclusion means important points, and we are going to sum up the whole topic. Sound is as you all know that sound is a form of energy which can travel through a medium like air, water and solids. Okay, and some sounds are soft, like they are very good sounds. Okay, some soft sounds are very soft, while the some sounds are very loud and annoying. Okay, because you can lose your ability of hearing in early age by listening to the sounds that are very loud. So don't try to listen the loud or annoying sound. Okay, vibrations are to and fro movements and can spread out like waves. Okay, and the sound made by these is called buzzing sound. So this is the conclusion of the topic, beta, and this is the time of the home task. Get ready to take the picture. Okay, beta. um, Beta, get register yourself for the online assessment test before the 15th August. Okay, so this is the home task, beta. Question number 1, what is sound? Okay, question number 2, how are sounds made? Question number 3, how do bees make a sound? Question number 4, how does vibrations spread out? And question number 5, solve the textbook exercise page number 75. Beta, all the answers of your textbook exercise are given in the slides. Okay, you can take the help from the slides. Okay, so take a picture or screenshot of this home task. Be quick, hurry up, students. Okay, and this is your exercise page number 75. Okay, this is your exercise book page number 75. Okay, beta, this experiment, the answer of this experiment is also given in your slide. Okay, in your book as well. Beta, what does the word vibrate mean? The answer is given in the slide. How does sound travel? Beta, I'm showing you the slides again. But be quick, take a picture of or a screenshot of every slide. Okay, so, beta, what is sound? Sound is a form of energy which can travel through a medium and it can be heard. Okay, beta, it can be heard. This is the answer of what is sound. Be quick, beta, take a screenshot. And what does the word vibrate mean, or what are vibrations? Okay, the answer is vibrations are quick to and fro movements, anything that vibrate make a sound. Okay, and how are vibrations spread out? Okay, so vibration is spread out like waves in the form of rings. The answer is vibration is spread out like waves in the form of rings. Okay, you don't need to write this. Only write this line. Okay, so this is the activity. How do bees make a sound? The answer is this one. Okay, be quick. Take a picture, or screenshot of this. Be quick. Okay, and how are sounds made? Hold a ruler over the edge of the table, flick the sticking end out over the table like here. The ruler will vibrate, and anything which vibrate make a sound. So the answer of how are sound made is this. Take a picture or screenshot. Okay, beta. Now the next question, how does sound travel? Sounds can travel through solids, liquids and gases in the form of waves. Okay, and this is the experiment, beta. This is your exercise question. Question number 1, try the experiment. Describe on the page number 73. When did the ruler make a high sound and when did it make a deep or low sound? Okay, so the answer is hold the ruler over the edge of the table, flick the sticking end out over the table. If we flick the ruler strongly, it will make a high sound, and if we make the ruler slowly, it will make a deep or low sound. So this is the answer of the experiment. So this is the answer of the experiment. Okay. Now activity. You don't need to write the activity. Okay. So the soft sound and beta. These are the example. Take a picture, a screenshot of this high sound. These are the 10 examples of high sounds. Okay, high sounds. So this is the question number 4 from your textbook exercise. Loud sounds can damage hearing. Make a list of the things that create loud or annoying sounds. Okay, so this is the list. Okay, so the answer of the last question is this one. Okay, and activity. This is the conclusion and this is the home task. Okay, so beta, this is the end from my side. Allah Hafiz. God bless you all.